talk about the color difference between me and you for a minute. If you're not in the frame, I actually don't even look that white. Well, who am I kidding?
Oh, wait.
Oh, I need to make this wet. Do you mind?
I don't mind.
Like make it really, really wet. Like so wet. Yeah. Hello. I literally have like 4 things in my makeup bag. I just don't wear like
look at mine, look at
makeup.
And then over me.
I just don't really wear makeup.
Feel like I look like I know what I'm doing, but I don't. Like I just did my eyebrows in the dark as well, so they're probably uneven.
I remember when she used to come to school with orange eyebrows and one was here and one was here.
Orange eyebrows, there was the black eyebrow phase, that was the uneven eyebrow phase.
We used to tell you like, Julia, they're really dark. And you're like, no, but I like them like that. She gets so triggered over it.
Blind.
In my last video, I also wore green hoodie, the one with Dina. In today's video, I'm here with my best friend, Dina. You just struck my boobs. Yeah, you did.
Why did you say it?
Hey guys.
Welcome back to my video.
Okay.
Are you always like this when you film your videos?
Before I film, I always take my hair up and down. Like
Take 37. Go.
Hey guys, what is up? So, in today's video, I'm here with my best friend, Rumi and Julia. So, I've done one previously exactly like this, where my best friend Dina and I were doing a get ready with us, and then we were like answering questions while doing it. And that's what I'm here with the
OG. Amelia on Instagram posted a story for you guys to ask questions or like advice or anything like that, so we're going to be answering that whilst we get ready because we are going out later. So yeah.
How is she more of a YouTuber than I am?
Yeah, that's not good.
Okay, let's start.
I can't find my eyebrow pencil actually.
I
You have mine?
No, I mean I have one.
Do you have foundation?
Yeah, we've been tanning and all of my stuff just doesn't match my skin. Wait, put it next to my face.
Yeah, no, it's a little white.
No.
That's not.
Thank you. Bless you.
It's a little dark for my skin.
Then just a little. Is it? Oh, you dried.
Going for the orange.
Going for the orange.
Going for the orange look tonight.
Yeah, actually my bronzer right now is gonna be my foundation.
Julia, shut up.
Wait, do you have foundation I can borrow?
Like I don't wear foundation, I just wear bronzer.
Wow. Wow.
We might look decent at the end of this video because right now I feel this question.
How to flirt with boys.
With me?
Stop. Why do I have to answer this one? I don't intentionally do it, so stop attacking me. No, I just... Is it not? Is this not?
No, it's not. What's the most dangerous thing you've done?
Skydiving probably.
You've done skydiving? Oh yeah, the video, the photos.
Yeah, no, that video is never gonna go like anywhere.
No?
That video's gonna die with me, yeah.
Baddest thing you've ever done together. Wait, don't mention that, don't mention that.
Are we not saying?
Wait, which thing?
Yeah, which thing?
Oh, that, no.
Yeah.
Guys, what eyeshadow should I do?
I think you should wear something with gold and stuff.
Yeah? Do you have an eyelash curler, by the way?
No, because I don't. No, I don't.
Yeah.
I have fake lashes. In my cities, I don't have any friends. I have trust problems. Everyone thinks I'm a mean bitch and slut.
I have trust issues too. I think it comes from like our past experiences and the way like we've dealt with different situations and with the way that people have treated us. I also have a resting bitch face. And people often think that I'm like really mean. Yeah. So my advice to you is like just try and talk to people and like remember that everyone's different and not everyone's gonna like treat you badly, you know. There are really good people as long as really, you know, horrible people. Try and give everyone a chance, you know. Maybe don't let people in so fast, but don't be so quick to judge and be like, no, I'm just not gonna trust them. Like just slowly, you know, try trusting again. That was really long. I hope that helped.
I recently broke up with my best friend and I don't know how to make any new ones. When I broke up with my best friend, I already had like other friends. What the fuck am I saying? Back. Do you wanna?
And also always remember that once, like there's a saying like once a door closes, another one will open. It's not like you're never gonna make friends again, you're never gonna find another best friend, you know, just give it time because like...
Guys, I went full on gold.
I don't know. Is there any lighter gold too for your inner corner or like the middle of it?
Amelia, what the fuck? I don't even know what unicorn is.
Yeah, like what are you even saying?
Okay, who's the craziest one?
Stop. I think in different like situations we each like have our crazy moments.
How am I crazy? Who's the shy one? It used to
You.
be me. No. It used to be me, but a roomie, she cannot socialize with anyone anymore. Have you not seen that?
That really hurts my feelings. I'm super like out there, but at the same time I can be shy with certain things. It's more because I'm lazy. Like I'm scared of people saying no to me. I feel like that's
scared of
why.
rejection. Wait, what's your minimum and maximum age for dating? Minimum 17, maximum
82.
What do you mean 17? So minimum 18, 17, maximum 24.
Oh, for
The thing is, I'm not even
22.
joking.
minimum, my age, max like 25-ish.
Jesus Christ, Julia. Okay.
So if you found a cute 25-year-old right now, would you like date him?
He's like ready to like get married and have kids. He's ready for graduating high school.
This boy that I like said he liked me and acted like he did, but now he's kind of ghosting me. Boy,
Let me
bye.
tell you. No, I'm kidding. Just don't waste your time with these things, to be honest. Like, and boys are so weird and complicated. It just stresses me out.
Guys, I've been doing the same thing for so long. You guys are not almost done, right? Because please slow down.
Look at me.
Look
I'm gonna
at you.
just look at me.
I mean, my makeup is really simple, but like I was gonna add up to it.
Wait, I
It's not
don't.
even
Sorry,
nice.
can I borrow a brush? I just.
My brushes are not that good.
Okay.
I mean,
I don't have any makeup brushes with me. Like,
So what are you gonna use for your eyes?
I'm not doing eyeshadow.
So should I just not do eyeshadow?
How long have you all been friends? Let's talk about how we met and stuff.
yeah.
No, let's not. I feel like that's quite boring. No one really cares.
Fine. Oh, how to maintain a long distance friendship. Us.
I feel like if you're really close, you
Yeah.
like you don't have to call every day or every weekend. Just
I'll
like
answer this one. I think it is important to try and stay connected, like keep up, like update each other on what's going on in your life. But when you find the right people and you get really close to someone, I don't think you need to necessarily call them every week. And I think like the relationship still remains the same. Like once you see them, everything is kind of the same. You can take it as like my own experience because I'm not the best at keeping in contact. I know how close I am to the people that I want to stay in contact with.
Julia's moving back to Brazil. I live here in Denmark, and everybody lives in Kuwait. So it is like we also have the long distance relationship. Julia, she's been really bad with keeping contact, but like Ashley said, this is literally like the old times. Like it's not weird, it's not awkward, nothing's like, you know.
guys, I really like this.
Guys, I absolutely fucked my
I've
wing.
overdone it.
Oh my god.
I'm working out, but I still don't know what to do to get a better body.
It's important to also eat healthy. Like, don't just work out and like eat whatever you want. Like, it's important to have a good balance. Don't overdo it though. Also something mental. I'm trying to fucking talk.
And get into a routine as well, I feel like.
Also, it's important like that you rest and like give your body like a chance to recover. And as Remy said, it's not just exercise, it's like also nutrition and eating the right foods. Like for example, if you're working out your muscle, you have to make sure you're eating enough protein for recovery and everything. And also at the end of the day, just accept like your body shape, you know, like we're all different. And I don't
sometimes if you want to work out to get like this body, it can't always happen because sometimes your bone structure isn't like thin like that, you know. Like it's some people are born with a body where their waist is like this fucking tiny, and then some people have a waist where it's just like this, and they can't like physically like put their bones tighter together, I guess. I don't know if that makes sense, but what's the best way to tell somebody that you're gay? Remy, you should say this. Is that offensive to say? Can I keep that joke?
Yeah, I feel like keep it in. Okay, well, let's explain that.
Am I allowed
like,
to keep that joke
no,
in?
yeah, I feel like you didn't mean it in a bad way. Also, if people know me, like people would say that. Like if you know me, it's so something you would like say to me, you know?
Girl crushes. She has a few. I actually do too. I have celebrity crushes.
The thing is, mine aren't even celebrities.
I have Kendall Jenner, Jessica Alba, and Madison Beer.
My girl crushes are
like
usually
Asian.
like half Japanese, half American.
Okay, I think me and my best friend are getting more distant, and I don't know what to do. If
I
you
don't know,
feel
just
like
try and hang out more often.
yeah, literally text her and like be like,
Yeah.
let's hang out. Like,
And
don't
honestly,
let
if
it,
you
don't
guys-
let it drift if you don't want it to drift.
And tell her how you
And
feel. Like,
And also, if you guys are really best friends, I feel like she's probably on the same page as you. Like she probably feels also that you guys are getting distant. So like just literally hit her up, and like you guys might be having the same thoughts, you're just not saying anything to each other right now. So I would have to
I'm just gonna like bronze up like immensely because like I put too much of my light concealer on me.
What are the greatest qualities of each other?
Oh, that's a cute question. Okay, so none for Rumi. Julia.
Rumi, definitely her eyes and her hair.
Are we talking physically? Okay, let's go physically first. Her eyes, her lashes, and her big features, you know. And I like...
And her big butt.
Stop.
Julia, I really like your lips and your nose. I really like too.
Thank you. I got a nose piercing, guys.
I really love your hair. And I feel like all your lips, all your small features like all combined me look so cute. I just can't take you.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
It's like neutral.
Why do you put the big light?
Because the YouTube light.
It's better?
Yeah.
YouTube light.
Say hello to the video. Power black.
Okay, type of guy. Like, what's your type?
Guys, I make the weirdest faces when I'm doing my makeup. I just realized, like, it's gonna.
I'm gonna zoom in on your face every time you do it. Then.
Oh my god.
Oh, me.
Oh, I'll go first. For me, like darker skin, curly hair, light eyes. I like light eyes. British accent, please.
So basically me. Julia, just say it. Julia, just
okay, I'm Rumi.
With you, sometimes I love you. Nice.
Wait, hold on, guys. It's actually kind of late, and I'm like not ready.
We have 40 minutes.
I still haven't tried my outfit.
Ah, you guys, this is for me. What is something special about Amelia?
Okay, next question. No, Amelia is a really sweet person. She's very like easygoing, you know.
She's very giving and caring.
Yes. Even though
she's kind of fucking.
Just don't owe her money. She sees the good in people with a lot, and like that used to be something that got her really hurt, because she would always like believe that someone is like has good intentions even though sometimes they don't, you know.
Yeah, she
That
always
is
like.
so cute.
No, she always likes to see the good side in people, as Julia said. Like,
You just copy what I said.
yeah, but I felt like I needed to add to that.
Oh, you guys are so sweet. You didn't actually have to answer that. A total turn off in boys, I'm guessing.
Showing off. Smells bad. Bad breath.
Oh yeah. Oh fuck.
Amelia, we're not going out.
No,
I don't know why you. Oh.
Do you ever get mad for no apparent reason?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna make a cup of coffee.
Literally anger issues at its finest. No, I'm really worried for the way that I look.
I don't know if I'm doing this right, because it's...
You can clearly see a difference. It's fine.
Or should we just like end it now?
Wait,
No, when we're dressed, I think.
Yeah? Okay.
Maybe just do like one more shot when we're dressed.
Anyways, I'll see you guys when we're all done. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. It's matching with the girls because Julia's wearing black, Rumi's wearing green or like lime, and I'm wearing lime green and black. And it wasn't actually planned either, so that's really cool. So I'm wearing this. Both pieces are from Gina Co, and I'm wearing these shoes because they're literally so. And this is from Shein, which I'll be showing in another video. I think we should end the vlog here. That's not even a vlog. Oh wow. Oh god, wait, do you mind doing like a full body? This is the slit, you know, you can always like that. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a little messy, but it's cool, it's cool.
Well, apparently that's gonna get really dirty. Yeah, I know.
Like really dirty.
It's fine. I did the same with my heels last year. I know what happens to the shoes.
Get excited because a vlog is coming out with the girls. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe. Bye.